out the fun. Take out the machine. Tear off the plastic wrap. Prepare the scissors. Cut open the 3 corners of the plastic wrap with scissors. Then use scissors to cut open the 3 corners of the pie. Take out the foam on it. Take out the foam around the nozzle. Plug in the power and turn it on. Click Tool, click Manual, click Origin. Take out the foam under the nozzle.